welcome to Foxtecc. If you're trying to update Snapchat on your Android device, the process is simple and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get right into it. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. In the top right corner, tap on your profile icon to access your account settings. From there, select Manage Apps and Device and then tap on Updates Available. This will show you a list of all the apps on your device that currently have updates waiting to be installed. At this point, you have two options. You can tap Update All, which will install updates for all apps at once, or you can scroll through the list and find Snapchat specifically. If you only want to update Snapchat, tap the Update button next to it and wait for the process to complete. The Play Store will download and install the latest version automatically. Once the update is finished, open Snapchat and check if everything is running smoothly. You might notice new features or performance improvements, depending on what's included in the update. If you don't see any changes, you can check Snapchat settings or official blog for details about the latest version. And if you don't see an update available, it could mean that Snapchat is already up to date. You can try refreshing the Play Store by closing and reopening it, or by pulling down on the updates page to check again. If you're still having issues, you could also uninstall and reinstall Snapchat, which ensures you're getting the most recent version from scratch. But in most cases, if no update appears, it simply means there's no new version available yet. That's it. Now you know how to update Snapchat on Android and make sure you're always running the latest version. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more Android and tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.